Welcome back everyone. This is the fifth video of our data science series. In this video, we will going to learn the model evaluation, how to evaluate models using R Python. Model evaluation. Model evaluation is crucial for determining the effectiveness and reliability of machine learning models. This preparation provides a comprehensive guidance to understanding and implementing model evaluation techniques in R and Python. Introduction to model evaluation. What is model evaluation? Model performance assessment. Assessing the accuracy and reliability of machines learning models is critical for making informed decisions, identifying strengths and weaknesses. Identifying areas where a model excels or struggles helps to improve its overall performance and addresses specific challenges. Model selection. Comparing different models based on their performance, allowing for the selection of the best model for a given task. Understanding evaluation matrices. Metric definition. Accuracy. Overall correct predictions. Precision. Correct positive prediction out of all positive predictions. Recall. Correct positive predictions out of all actual positive cases. F1 scores. Harmonic means of precision and recall. Handling unequal error cost. Cost sensitive evaluation. Certain errors can have significantly higher cost than others. Cost sensitive matrices. Metrics like expected cost or weighted accuracy can be used to assess the overall cost of errors. Model adjustment. Model parameters or algorithms can be adjusted to minimize the impact of costly errors. Case study. Evaluating a credit risk model. Data preparation, model training, evaluation. Prepare and clean credit risk data including historical records and applicant information. Model training. Train a model using techniques like logistic regression or decision trees to predict credit risk. Evaluation. Evaluate the model using matrices like AUC precision and recall, considering the cost of false positiveness and false negativeness. Techniques for dealing with imbalanced datasets. Oversampling, undersampling, cost sensitive learning. Replicating minorities class samples to increase their representation in the dataset. Undersampling. Removing majority class sample to balance the class distribution. Cost sensitive learning. Adjusting the model's learning processes to prioritize minority class samples. Cross validation and model selection. Data splitting. Divide the datasets into multiple folds for training and validation. Model training. Train the model on different folds and evaluate its performance on the remaining folds. Model selection. Compare the performance of different models across all folds to choose the best model for the task. Advanced evaluation techniques. ROC curves. Visualize the trade-off between two positive rates and false rate for different classification thresholds. AUC. Calculate the area under ROC curve to measure the overall performance of a classifier. Per session recall curves. Evaluate the trade-off between precision and recall for different thresholds, especially useful for imbalanced datasets. Conclusion and key takeaways. Comprehensive evaluation. Evaluating models thoroughly using various matrices and techniques is essential for ensuring their accuracy and reliability. Domain knowledge. Understanding the context and specific requirements of the task is crucial for choosing the right evaluation matrices and interpreting results. Continuous improvement. Model evaluation is an ongoing process. Regularly monitor and evaluate model performance to identify areas for improvement and maintain optimal results. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any doubt regarding this lecture, you can make a doubt in the comment section. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care.